If you want to temporarily turn off the keyboard clicking noise on your tablet, you could do this. Use the physical volume buttons to adjust volume, and then tap the three dots on top of the volume slider. Once you hit the three dots, you'll see a volume setting for different functions of your tablet. On the far left, you have the system volume. Turn that all the way down and you won't hear keyboard clicks. Of course, this will turn off all the system sounds and not just the keyboard, so it's not the perfect solution for everyone. If you want to turn off only the keyboard sound and nothing else, we'll head to Settings for that. Then go to Sound, and from there tap System Sound. You'll see toggles for different types of system sounds, including Samsung keyboard. I'll toggle that off and now my keyboard won't make clicking sounds anymore. Depending on the tablet model and Android version you're using, this could be slightly different. On some tablets, you might have this under General Management, or Language and Input Settings, or it could be under Keyboard Settings or Sound Settings. There's no universal single place for keyboard clicks and sounds on Android. Click the like button below if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.